Hey everybody, welcome back for another car wash review. I am very excited today. This is a good day. I am in Hamilton, Ontario, and I am finally reviewing the Dry and Shine Auto Spa. I knew about this car wash back in the winter time. This was under construction for a while. I was just driving by chance and got really excited. They are advertising it's the most state-of-the-art car wash. It's a tunnel touch system. Don't know who makes it or anything like that. This is the very first time I've been here, so we're going to be experiencing this for the first time together. Yeah, really excited about this one. I think this is going to be in the running as probably the best touch system I've ever done. Right now, I would have to say it's the Auto Spa. Both locations, the one in Burlington and Mississauga, I've reviewed both. If you haven't seen them, definitely check them out because it'll definitely be a good comparison to this one. And you have to let me know in the comments below after if you think this is better than the auto spas or if the auto spas are better. So anyways, back to this car wash. I'll get out. I'm driving the Dodge Caravan today, which is a bit of a change from the big cargo that I'm usually driving. We'll get out and have a look. I don't know how dirty the van is. I don't really think it's that dirty. Oh, actually it's not bad. A little bit of dirt down towards the bottom. Yeah, we got some bit of dirt there on the back window. We'll do a couple of finger tests just because it's not that dirty. Let's go right here. We'll go across that. Windshield's got some dirt and that on it. And let's do one towards the back. We'll go right here. There. Okay. I don't know if there's an attendant on this or if it's just kind of a pay station and that. So what I'm gonna do is I've got my little dash mount here. There. I'll mount you like that. I don't even know what the prices are. I don't know anything about this. This is on Rymel Road, and once I get my ticket, I'm not sure the exact address, but I'll let you know. They have a quick lube here too if you want to get an oil change. I was seeing to go this way. Oh. So we got lane A is for car wash, vacuum, self-wash, everything. Lane B is just exterior wash, and lane C is interior. So we'll do lane B. I'm just going to do an exterior. Oh, so they have self-serve bays, and they have a dog wash. I'll once I go through, I'll come around again and we'll have a look at some of these things. Okay, so there's, I don't know if you can see the pricing there. Holy mackerel. Oh, wait a minute. Darn sign changed. I was looking at the prices. Well, we'll have to see here. I'll take his off here.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select an option from the list on the screen.
Wash code, express wash, or our interior detailing. What about an express wash, I guess?
If you would like an interior cleaning, please select full service wash.
Exterior
Otherwise,
washes only.
select
Alright, so the Ultimate Dry and Shine. That's their top wash for $19.99. Of course, we're going to get that.
Please
select a payment method or insert bills into the bill acceptor at any
Pay
time.
by credit, debit.
Please insert your card. Be sure to fully insert your card into the payment slot before following the instructions on the screen. You may also pay by using your contactless card or mobile phone with
Okay,
Apple
just a
Pay,
sec here.
Android Pay, or Google Wallet. Please insert your card. Be sure to fully insert your card into the payment slot before following the instructions on the screen. You may also pay by...
There we go. That was a long process. I didn't
Wait, the wash is busy at this time.
know it didn't take American Express. So it's $22.59 altogether. I'm just gonna put this back up there till I get going in. So they accept everything but American Express. You're probably thinking, what's a Canadian using American Express for? They have I don't know what's going on here. Ugh. They have their crew and everything here. And they got a pylon in the center of the car wash, so you can see all the vacuums. They got a whole row of vacuums down there, and I'm not sure if those are free with purchase of a car wash. There's the interior bay there, so you just go down the side here, and yeah, I don't know what's going on, what the holdup is. Maybe they wait for one car to go completely through, and the conveyor part, it looks like it's kind of like the what the heck do you call that Pioneer, the Glide wash. That's what it reminds me of. All right, so I'm gonna put this back up there. All right. So they do have attendance anyways. Well, I see on the arms down there it says Super Flex. I'm not sure if that's a company name. First time I've seen green LEDs. Fantastic coverage on everything. 21 dryers. Wow, look at those. Very impressive. Look at this thing. These look like giant buffing pads. Help get the vehicle even more dry. Wow, so soft. You don't even hear it touching the vehicle. Very cool. Wow, and that just pushes you right out. That's a neutral, and it feels like I was in drive. All right, can't wait to see what this looks like. We'll go over here. We'll have a look, and then I'll drive around again to the front part so you can see the self-serve bays and vacuums and that better. I gotta tell you, the one thing I definitely noticed when I was going through there, all the brushes were so quiet on the vehicle. Normally, like, they're loud when they're hitting the vehicle. Yeah, look at this. There's no question. Look at this. This is spotless. And very dry. Little bit at the back here, but it's a tough spot to reach anyways in those areas. But I mean, the sides and everything. I mean, forget even looking at the finger marks. I mean, the fingertips, they're clean. Very, very clean. All the windows are dry. Even the windshield, like you look down there, it's bone dry. I don't know if they use like a shine or whatever, but the tires seem really clean too. Got the bugs off the windshield. Great, great job. Really good job. Wow. Oh man, this is hard. This is really tough to compare this to the auto spa. Oh man. Very, very, oh, seatbelt. Very, very difficult. I mean, the auto spa is longer, like it's a bigger car wash, so that's cool in itself. Different equipment, I guess, so it's very different. Hey, you can see that guy coming out. I'm just gonna go over to the vacuums here so we can see. This is the lube oil change place. So here's the self-serve base. Let me just pull in and we'll see what. So it's $3 to start, and they got tire cleaner, pre-soak, high pressure soap, foam brush, high pressure rinse, tire cleaner, squeeze, spot free rinse, high pressure wax, high pressure rinse, and tri-foam conditioner. And $3 to start. I don't know how much. It doesn't say how much time that gives you. Back out. But they have a few bays of that. And $3 to start. That's not bad, actually. I've seen some are like $4. So they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bays. They got a dog wash place here. These they got a couple of vacuums there. Those are $2. And then they've got, oh, these are free vacuums. Yeah, so because I got the wash, I could come over here and use these for free. So that's cool. The inside of my vehicle's clean, so I don't need that, but very cool anyways. So that is that. Let me know in the comments below, what do you like better? Do you like this one, or do you like the auto spas? Though I got to go back and do the one in Burlington. It's been a long time, and they've redone it actually. So I'm expecting to go back and look at the Mississauga auto spa that I did not all that long ago, and I'm anticipating that the Burlington refresh is like how Mississauga is, but hopefully I can get there this week and check that out, and we'll be able to compare. But so let's compare this to this one here to the auto spa in Mississauga, and let me know in the comments below which system you like better. I find it so hard to decide. I mean, this wash did a great job. I think they're both around the same price. A lot of really cool use of LED lights on this one. And those buffing pads, like the drying buffing pads, whatever you want to call them at the end, was really cool. So, and the dryer system here was really impressive. Anyways, I'm babbling now, but anyways, let me know. Hope you enjoyed this one. I was really excited for it. I've been waiting for it for a long time, and really enjoyed it. But as always, thanks a lot, everyone. Appreciate the love and support, and look forward to your comments down below. All right, take care, everyone. Bye bye.